the backhoe actually putting the gravel in. This is the junction box. I'm going to give you one more view of that so you can see some actual mechanical work. But this is the actual junction box. That goes up to the tank. This is that first thing that looked like a road. And then he made a new one, so this is the second. There's a total of 160 feet. So I'll just walk down here and give you a little progress of what's going on. There's Rusty, master technician. And this one. And a little road he made. That's a lot of stuff. He just said he's almost 70. Quite the hard worker. Just left the gravel. Leach field. The bucket is nice for digging trenches, I'll tell you that. Wish I had tank. There's 2 lids on it. Pipe. There we go. We'll be talking to you.